Welcome back everyone to my channel Trading Journey with Bishwadeep. So today is my second day of trading challenge, day 2 of day out of day 365. So let me show you the trades that I have taken in the Nifty and in the forex market. So firstly I want to show you the trading journal. So this is my day 2. I have taken the positions. I have taken 3 positions on Nifty, 2 short and 1 long. So let me highlight those positions and let me show you why I have taken those positions in the Nifty. This is the open chart you can see in the Nifty, and I took the trade on 16th August. So this is my 16th August. Let me first draw the resistance and the support line so that you can get a clear and brief idea about it. I am marking the previous day's close and the previous day's highs. So these are the two most important lines that I need to draw, and everyone should draw these lines to get a clear idea of what was the previous day's high and the uh, low. And let me see if I can get a see. I'm drawing the support or the resistance line from one week to another week. So in a candle, we call a body and a wick. So let me show you the long part that is showing, it's a wick, and the body that is a green in color, it's a body. So every candle is having these two parts. So I'll be sharing these details at later point of time. So before that I would just want to analyze the things that I have done in these trades. Okay, I have drawn one resistance line of the previous days and the support line. Let me draw another support line. Okay, see, every trend, whatever happens in the market, it like I think you all have heard about the boomerang thing. Whenever you throw something, it comes back to you, right? So similarly, this thing also happens over here in the stock market. Previously, if anything happened, so in the same rhythm, that thing will be coming back in the next day or in the upcoming months or in the upcoming years. So similarly, whatever happens here, you can say this is the 9th of August. Whatever happened over here, I am marking the resistance line of this, and see, it touches the one of the highs of 16th August. So see, you can find a rhythmic pattern over here. And let me show you the analysis. So I have drawn the overall the support and the resistance, and also I should unhide or show the EMAs of 950 and 200 that I'm using as a little bit of help for me to distinguish or to analyze the trades, right? I have marked, whenever I do make trades, I mark at that particular candlestick so that I can get a clear idea or can show you the analysis why I have taken that trade. Okay, so when the market began, at that time there was a doji candle formation, and it got a support from this support line, and it took me to that previous uh, 3 days or 4 days back resistance line support. Okay, so it came down and there was again a resistance, or sorry, a support line over here, and there was a little bit of a breakdown. See, you can let me unhide this. No, not this one. See, this is the point where I took the trade. Let me take you to the trading journal. 24,350 and the entry timing was 9:51, right? So see, this is the, you can come below and see the timing over here, that is 9:50, 16th August. So at this mark I have taken the short position, and it was at the money 24,350, and the premium price was 163.05. So when I took the trade, there was a breakdown, and again there was a formation of a doji candle, and later point of time I have exited the trade at 10:01. 10:01 is this position. So I got a little bit of profit. I got a little bit of profit over here. So with a little bit of a spike that happened in this greenish candle, so I got exited from this trade and I made a profit. I made a profit of rupees 385. Coming on to the next trade that I took, that is short position again, and it was at 10:26. 10:26. See, I've again took a trade over here. Okay, so what was the premium? It was 173. So it was a for a brief period of time that I took the trade. And why again I took a trade? Because there was no support or the resistance line between these two gaps. Between these two lines, you can see there are no support or the resistance line that I have drawn. I was trading according to my analysis that I do perform with the help of this support and the resistance line, right? See, I have taken the trade over here when there was a clear, like maribuzu type of candlestick formation. There in the middle I took the trade, and when I saw that the candle was forming a doji candle at the support line, then I thought that it must be reversal trend that is going to be happened. So, and at that moment I have exited the trade, and suddenly the at after the trade the trend has started to reverse at that opposite direction. So my trade was correct, and it gave me a profit of like 541 rupees. So I took the premium at 173.8 and I exited at 197.65. So again, out of FOMO, like see, I have given these setups. Why there was a breakout and going to the support line that I have mentioned, that the doji candle was forming at the support line, right? But it was a risky trade, as already, why it was a risky trade, as already the trade had performed the downtrend movement for such a quite a long period of time. For you can see it's 9:35 and it's 10:30, it's like nearly 1 hour the candle was moving in downtrend movement. So that is why it was quite a risky bit of more trading. And the another position that I took, it was at 12:30, right? 12:30. Okay, 12:30, 16th August, right? 12:30. Okay, here only I took. Let me check. It is the buy position, right? Yeah, it's a long position that I took, and it was 24,400. 24,400. Yes. It was 12 to 12:48. 12:30 to 12:48. Yes. So sorry, here. So here I took the trade. I should have waited a bit more uh, for me to take the trade. As I can see again, see there was a little bit of breakout and a formation of a previous doji candle. It was giving me an uptrend moment. I kept it for a while. It gave me a profit and again it hit the stop loss with this candle formation. So that's why I have exited the trade from the Nifty 50. And probably it was on the expiry day, so there was more of theta decay and time decay was also there, so the premium was going a little bit faster. So 161 to 156.9, maybe there was this Wednesday or I totally don't remember. Okay, no issues. So that was the analysis of the Nifty 50 for day 2, and the overall profit that I have gained, it was 730. I made a loss in this the last trade at 196. So overall profit is 730. So coming on to the forex market on day 2, I have taken like 4 trades in the Ethereum, in the gold and in the Bitcoin. So let me go into this XNS terminal. So let me start with the Ethereum, right? So Ethereum on 19th, sorry, on 16th, let me check. On 19th, okay, see, you can check 19th. Uh, yes, I took the trade over here. Let me zoom into this thing. Okay, let me first take the one sell and one buy, 2626 and 2634. Okay, let me show you. For the Ethereum trade, I took a really good trade at that moment, and unfortunately, I got hit by the SL. Right. So let me show you how. So I took the trade over here. Like this is 2626, right? 2682. Let me, okay. Let me change the color black. Okay. Let me delete this thing. Delete this one also. Yes. I took the trade over here at 2626 and 82 because there is a clear resistance line that I have drawn earlier. Yes, that I have drawn earlier, and the candlestick that formed had broke down this support line, and after that there was a formation of a bearish candle and it followed by a bullish candle. So I thought that there will be the good downtrend moment, right? Good downtrend moment. So that's why I took the trade over here in this candlestick, and it was going down nicely. So I thought that I will be holding this position for a quite long time, as there was a good breakdown and I had a proper setup for this thing. You can see this EMA 9, this is the EMA 9, the orange color one EMA 9, and the greenish is the EMA 26. So EMA 9, there was a there was a crossover. See, there was a crossover. There was a EMA crossover, so which gave me double confirmation that kindly the trend will be in the downtrend. So that's what I took the trade, but I kept the stop loss just above this resistance line. And as you know, the spread for the Ethereum and the US dollar is a little bit more, like maybe a good 10 pips probably, I don't remember right now, uh, for which once the wick got into this resistance line, my SL got hit and I made a loss in this trade. Again I took a long position, right? Again I took a, yes, again I took a long position at 2634 or 2634. Let me show you. No, not here. Yes. So coming on to the 19th of August. Yes, here only, yeah. Here I took the trade. I'm drawing one of the resistance line to get a better view. See, I'm extending again this line, and there is a formation of a little bit of, again, in the forex market, uh, you can draw multiple support on the resistance line at each level, because you never know when the market uh, gets hit in the support line and it get a retest or pullback. Similarly happens in the resistance line also. So you must always draw the higher highs or the higher lows in the market so that you can get a clear view of it. Like I'm learning right now, maybe you all are learning right now, so maybe maybe in the upcoming days I can share you more knowledge about this thing. So 2634, I have taken the trade over here, right? But it got again hit in the C, 2634 and 2627. So why I took the trade, exactly why I took the trade, and I thought, see, 27, yes, I thought that there was again, because I do believe in the strategy that whenever the breakout or the breakdown happens, and with the help of the EMA indicators, I do follow that kind of strategies. So it's like one of the strategies that I follow most of the times whenever I do trading. That's why there was a breakout over here, I took the trade, but it got reversed from this, means maybe there was a retest that happened, and I kept the stop loss just below this line. uh, I kept the stop loss just over here, 2627, and it got hit. But at later point of time, this is the retest that happened, and it got bounced back and it gave me a good uh, bull movement over here. So the trade wasn't wrong, but probably the wick that formed got me the stop loss. So these were the true two trades that happened in the Ethereum, and later coming on to the this gold, uh, gold XAU. Yes, let me go back to the 19th. Where is 19th of August? Yes. So which trade did I take? 2499. Okay. I think it was the sell position, right? Yeah. Okay. See, I have already marked this one. Ah, again, it was my analysis was correct, but I mistakenly didn't draw this, support line. For that reason, my SL got hit. You know. So exactly what happened? I took a short position over here at 2499. Maybe I was thinking that there will be the bearish moment, but it got bounced back from the support line, and it reversed after some moment of time. It got the bearish moment. So I shouldn't have waited for that long, because at that moment then the SL would be so much of high, right? If I show you the measurement, uh, right, where is it, measurement? Yeah, if I show you the measurement, see, this is the 0.19%. If I keep the stop loss over here 0.2%, so that's a maximum stop loss. You can't keep it when you are starting with or a new to the trading. So always keep like risk to ratio, risk to reward ratio, that is 1 is to 1, or maybe 1 is to 2, or 1 is to 1.5. So it is a good starting platform for all of you with 1 is to 1 trade ratio, because you never know if you keep the stop loss at higher position, like whenever, like if you keep the stop loss at this level, and when you are taking a trade at this level, so the range from here to here is really high. So it will be like 1 is to 1 is to 3, right? So you can't afford that much to lose that much of money in a single trade. So always put a stop loss whenever you are doing trading. Okay, so my third trade also I have analyzed, and coming on to the fourth trade, that is the BTC, that is the Bitcoin trading that I have done, right? Okay, so again let me go back to this 19th August. 19. Wow, that's a nice bit of bearish moment. You can check. See, here I took the trade. I have already marked this location. So it was, I think, did I win or did I lose? Okay, I got a profit of 67 rupees, right? Okay, that's a huge bit of money. 58699, right? That is a buy position. Okay, let me zoom this thing, or maximize, you can say, right? 58699. Yeah, 58699. Yes. Probably over here I took the trade, right? Here, because I saw a bullish movement over here. You can see this a good candle over here, a good Maribuzu type of candle. Maribuzu type of candle, what does that mean? So it's a full body where in a candlestick there will be the full body and little bit of wick on both of the end. It can be like whether bullish or the bearish Maribuzu. So you can say little bit of wick, and you can say this is the bearish Maribuzu, right? So these are called the wicks, and this is the body. This is the whole body, right? So what does it suggest? When there is the Maribuzu candle, full Maribuzu candle, it shows that if it is a bearish thing, then it will be showing that the selling pressure is so much high, it will be coming, the market will be going into the downtrend moment. And when there is a bullish Maribuzu candle, it will be showing it will be showing a good trend in the upward moment. Okay, so I'll be showing these things at later point of time. So mm, I'll be giving all the briefs whenever I get a clear idea or show you what type of candles these are. Okay, so I have taken this trade, getting into this Maribuzu candle. Maybe this will be in the uptrend moment, but I kept the trade for a little bit of longer time. Maybe you can say like for 30 minutes that I took. Again, it got bounced back from the resistance line. Right, you can check the resistance line that I have drawn over here. It got bounced back from this, and it is forming, and it was coming into the bearish movement. So I need to leave this uh, trade and uh, got a loss in this trade. You can check. So sorry, I got a profit in this thing. Okay, I already, okay, whenever, okay, I got it. So whenever this candle formed, I got out of this trade. So I didn't wait it for long. I got out of this trade, so I made a profit of rupees 67 only. So overall PNL for that day it was 314, and the overall PNL for the forex and the, okay, I didn't calculate it. I'll be calculating next day and showing you the day 2 and the day 3 total capital, right? So this were the analysis of the trades that I took on day 2. uh, I hope some people have learned something, or some people know much more than me, but I am still a new beginner, and still learning, and hopefully bless me, or stay with this in my journey. And thank you everyone. See you tomorrow in my day 3.